Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a table in WordPress blog post. So here you can see these are few random posts that I have published in my demo website, and now I want to add a table inside this blog post. Okay. Now let me go back to the plugins, and here we need to install a new plugin. You can search for Table Press, and this one is the free plugin to create any type of table in your WordPress website. And here you can check the active installations and ratings. Okay, now let's go back to the table press and click on skip button. Scroll down, and to create a new table you can go here. You can also import existing tables from here. For example, let me add table 1. Okay, here you can add description and select number of rows and columns. So for example, I want to add 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay, so if I scroll down, let me add here some text. For example, post 1 content, and then here you can add whatever you want. Post 2, so just let me add here post 3, and then let me copy this one. After that, scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, now table is created, and now we need to copy this shortcode. Now let's go back to the blog posts. So you can edit one of the blog posts, and if you want to get this interface, then you need to install a classic editor plugin that's free of cost. So if I go here, and now let me add this code anywhere here, then click on update button. Okay, now let's view this post on the front side. Let me scroll down. Now here you can see table is added. Okay, you can also go back to the plugin settings, table press, and then you can easily customize. For example, if you don't want to show search box and anything, then you can easily configure that options from here. Okay,